happy Sunday. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in any part of the world. Welcome to our daily 30-minute book reading on AI ethics, AI governance, and responsible AI. My name still remains Henry Onowale, your AI strategist, your AI governance expert, your AI ethic impact assessment assessor, and also your responsible AI expert. Yeah, for those that are joining us for the first time, we are engaged in an exercise where we spend 30 minutes of our time to read some of the selected books that we have in our bucket list. Then for this year, we selected 4 books with major emphasis on AI ethics, AI governance, and responsible AI. The first on our list is titled AI Governance, a Primer, and the author is Edward Aden. And the second one is also AI Governance, Applying AI Policy and Ethics through Principle and Assessment, and the author is Dr. Daryl J. Carlton. And the one that we are currently reading, and we're actually done with this one, is an unofficial guide for those prepping for AI Governance Professional Certification, coordinated by International Association of Privacy Professional. And the author of this unofficial guide is Nicole Joy Elmgart. Yep. You know, it's been an amazing journey, and within the space of close to 2 months, it's not even the end of February, and we've been able to complete 3 books. I find this as an amazing feat, and I also want to appreciate those who have joined us on daily basis to go through this book reading. I believe you are learning something. One time I said, if let us know what you've learned and gained from joining this daily book reading. Create a short video clips of what you have learned, what is understanding about artificial intelligence. We want to know if joining this live has been able to enhance your insight about AI, and how has it been able to influence your day-to-day life in terms of decision making, also in terms of achieving productivity and efficiency. We want to know, more about that. For this unofficial guide, it has some practice test questions. Just FYI, these practice questions are not the expected practice question, or they are not like the actual questions for taking the AI Governance Professional Certification that is conducted by International Association of Privacy Professional. I guess these are practice questions that were created from each chapters of the book. Okay, let's get started. We have the practice test. The final chapter contains 2 sample exams comprised of 50 questions each for a total of 100 multi-choice practice questions. The actual exam contains 100 multiple choice in a 3-hour period. The tests include are thus designed to be completed in approximately 90 minutes. The approximate breakdown of the number of questions for each domain that are likely to appear on the exam based on the International Association of Privacy Professional, the Official Governance Professional Body of Knowledge, is below. Each 50 question sample test have a proportionate number of questions from each domain. Domain 1 is understanding the foundation of AI. We have 14 questions. Domain 2, understanding AI impact and responsible AI principles. We have 12 questions. Domain 3, understanding how current laws apply to AI system. We have 12 questions. Domain 4, understanding the existing and emerging AI laws and standards. We have 14 questions. Domain 5, understanding the AI development life cycle. We have 9 questions. And domain 6, implementing responsible AI governance and risk management. We have 32 questions. And domain 7, contemplating ongoing issues and concerns. we have 7 questions. Okay, let's get started. Practice test 1. What is the primary goal of AI research? Option A, to create machine that mimic human intelligence, to develop systems that can process large data sets quickly. C, to enable machine to perform tasks and typically require human intelligence. D, to design algorithm for optimizing complex system. What is the primary goal of AI research? To enable machine to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Yeah, I guess that would be my answer. C would be my answer. To enable machine to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Then 2, which of the following best describe machine learning? A process where machine improve the performance based on experience. That's option A. Option B, a method for developing AI system that mimic human behavior. Then C, a technology used for automating repetitive tasks. D, a technique to design complex algorithm with minimal human intervention. I guess that would be my answer. I think I will go with D, a technique to design complex algorithm and minimal human intervention. A process where machine improve their performance based a method for developing AI system that mimic human behavior. That's a good one. A technology used for automating repetitive tasks. The answer should be between B and D. A technique to design complex algorithm with minimal human intervention and a method for developing AI system that mimic human behavior. Okay, let's go with D. Okay, next is question 3. What is the Turing test used to evaluate whether an AI system that can distinguish between human and machine, whether an AI system can mimic human behavior in conversation, whether an AI system can learn from experience, whether an AI system can solve complex problem? This one, I will go with B, whether an AI system can mimic human behavior in conversation, because I know the Turing test has something to do with communication. Then I will go with a B for this one, whether an AI system can mimic human behavior in conversation. Okay, number 4. Which of the following is not a characteristic of artificial neural network? They consist of interconnected nodes that process information. They require labeled data for supervised learning. They have predetermined output regardless of the inputs. They can adapt their structure based on new information. This one is a bit tricky. I guess I want to go with a B. They require labeled data for supervised learning. It's not a characteristic of artificial neural network. I believe artificial neural network can be trained on both labeled data set and also unlabeled data set. Then I'm not going to agree that they require labeled data for supervised learning. I might not go with that. Then number 5, which of the following best describe reinforcement learning? A, an AI system that learns by interacting with its environment. B, an AI system that learns from labeled training data. C, an AI system that is programmed with predefined rules. And D, an AI system designed for pattern recognition. Which of the following best describe reinforcement learning? This one too is a tricky one, but my answer is between A and B. An AI system that learns by interacting with its environment, because the way reinforcement learning works is it has to do with reinforcement learning is about is a kind of process where you provide something like a reward. Then if the AI performs well, that means it gets a positive reward. And when the AI give an incorrect output, that means the AI will be punished. Then reinforcement learning is a process where the AI learns from feedback or based on the scoring. Yeah, when the AI performs well, you give him a thumbs up, and when the AI provide an incorrect output, you give him a thumbs down. Yeah. Then I will pick A, an AI system that learns by interacting with its environment. And I also agree with B too, an AI system that learns from label training data. That one is more like a fine-tuning, because reinforcement learning is also a fine-tuning process as well. Yeah, then I will go with an A, learning from its environment. Okay, the next question, question 6 to 8. A software development company specializes in creating AI-based applications for different industries. They are currently working on an AI system to automate customer support for a large retail chain. The AI system is designed to understand customer inquiries and provide accurate responses based on a knowledge base of frequent asked questions. During testing, the AI system performed well and accurately resolved customer inquiries. However, once deployed, customers begin reporting that the system misinterprets their questions and provide irrelevant or incorrect responses. This leads to a high rate of customer dissatisfaction and complaints. The development team is tasked with identifying the root cause of the issue and implementing corrective measures to ensure that the AI system performs as expected. Question 6. What is the most likely cause of the AI system incorrect response? Option A. The AI system training data may not be comprehensive enough. The AI system algorithm is overly compliant. C. The AI system knowledge base is outdated. And D. The AI system architecture may need additional resources. Okay, I think I want to go back to the comprehension. During testing, the AI system performed and accurately resolved. However, once deployed, the customer begin reporting that the system misinterpret their question and provide irrelevant or incorrect responses, and this lead to high rate of customer dissatisfaction. Okay, let's look at the response. The AI system training data may not be comprehensive enough. The AI system algorithm is overly complex. The AI system knowledge base is outdated. The AI system architecture may need additional resources. I will go with A. The AI system training data may not be comprehensive enough. Maybe they didn't use what we call a custom data, to train the model. And another thing might be maybe they didn't also evaluate the performance of the model in terms of F1 score and other parameters that are used for measuring the performance of the model. And thirdly, they were also expected to do what we call the proof of concept before launching it to the public, or launching it worldwide within the organization. Then they were supposed to do something that we call like an A/B testing. Then those are my opinion. Let's move on. Question 7. Which action would be best to address the AI system performance issues? A. Update the training data with more diverse customer inquiry. I agree. Implement additional testing with edge cases and unseen data. Provide human oversight to validate AI system responses. And D. All of the above. I go with all of the above. Yep, that should be the answer. 8. Which of the following measures could help prevent similar issues in the future? A. Implement continuous monitoring and fine-tuning process. Establish an incident response plan to address customer complaint. And C. Create model card to document the AI system behavior and limitation. And D. All of the above. I will go with all of the above. Then, what does privacy by design mean in the context of AI? Designing AI system to protect user privacy for the outset, using a complex encryption technique to safeguard data, incorporating third-party audit to ensure privacy compliance, evaluating AI system post-deployment to maintain privacy. I think my answer is going to be A. Design AI system to protect user privacy from the outset. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question 10. Why is transparency important in AI governance? It allows users to understand how AI systems work and to question outcome. It ensures that the organization are compliant with AI-related laws. It reduces the risk of bias in AI decision-making. And D, all of the above. I will go with all of the above. Okay, question 11. Which of the following describe AI governance? A. Managing and overseeing the development, use, and risk of AI system. Regulating AI to ensure it meets industry-specific requirements. C. Establishing clear ethical guidelines for AI system. And developing AI system to improve performance. I will go with C. Establishing clear ethical guidelines for AI system. Yep, that is, the concept behind governance. You need to define some ethical guidelines. The ethical guidelines will make the organization to comply with AI regulation, put some structures in place to ensure that the organization comply with responsible AI principles, from transparency to trustworthiness to accountability to privacy to interpretability to explainability. Yep, that is what governance does, and it helps the organization to also develop. Okay, let's continue. With our answer here is establishing clear ethical guidelines for years. The answer is C. Okay, question 12 to 14. A retail company developed an AI system to manage customer orders and predict future demand. The AI system uses customer data, purchasing trends, and other factors to make decisions. After deployment, the company discovered the AI system is making biased decisions, favoring certain customer groups over others. Question 12. What is the most likely cause of the bias in the AI system? Without looking at the options, one of the major causes is if the data set was not diverse. Yeah, when you use just a single data, you do not use a data that consider like all races, and you use a data that do not consider all age group or some certain social demographic factors, then you can say that that model is going to be biased because you didn't use a diverse data set. That is why it is important that you use a diverse data set when you are training a model that is expected to make a decision based on groups, based on, 2 different groups, 3 or 4 different groups. Yeah, then you need to use a diverse data set. Let us look at the options. Incomplete or biased training data. B, incorrect algorithm design. C, external factors influencing the AI system. D, a combination of all of the above. Incomplete or biased training data. Yep, that is fine. Incorrect algorithm design. I don't think that would be a factor. External factors influencing the AI system. To me, what makes an AI technology to be biased is actually the data. Yeah. The transparency of an AI technology is dependent on the data. The data that is used for training the model. Yeah, because the performance of a model itself is dependent on the data. Then if the AI engineer use a diverse data set to train the model, and they also put some measures in place in terms of checking for biasness, and everything is connected to the data, then I think my answer here is going to be incomplete or biased training data. Yeah, that would be my answer. Let's go to question 13. What should the company do to address the bias in the AI system? A, we train the AI system with a more diverse data set. B, conduct a thorough audit of the AI system process and outcome. Implement additional governance measures to ensure fairness. D, all of the above. Yeah, that is the answer. All of the above. Yeah, all of the above is the answer. Every other option are right. Question 14. What is the best action for the company to take to prevent future bias? A, establish a robust AI governance framework to monitor and address biases. B, implement real-time monitoring to catch biases early. C, use counterfactual explanation to understand AI outcome. What's the question again? What is the best action for the company to take to prevent future bias? Establish a robust AI governance framework to monitor and address biases. Implement real-time monitoring to catch biases early. Use counterfactual explanation to understand AI outcome. And what is D? D is all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Every other option is right. Okay, question 15. What is the purpose of data protection laws in the context of AI governance? To prevent individual privacy and personal information. What's the purpose of data protection? To ensure AI systems are compliant with industry standard, to improve AI system efficiency, to guide AI system performance and accuracy. My answer will be B. To ensure AI systems are compliant with industry standard. What are the industry standards? The industry standard regarding data protection is how organizations handle users' data. And one of those standards is GDPR, Global Data Protection Regulation. Yeah, that is actually, an important, one of the, one of the most widely well-known regulation in terms of handling users' data. And that is why I suggest that before you can download any application on your phone, ensure that you understand how the AI technology is handling your data. You need to know that. That is very important. Let's move to the next one. 16. What is a key legal requirement for AI risk management? A, establishing clear process for addressing security and privacy risks, improving AI system capabilities. C, ensuring AI systems are cost-effective. And D, developing industry-specific AI system. What is a key legal requirement for AI risk management? I think I will go with A, establishing clear process for addressing security and privacy risks. Okay, 17. Which of the following best describe legal liability for AI system? A, the responsibility for any harm or damage caused by AI system. 2, the legal boundaries governing AI system development. C, the organizational structure oversee AI governance. And D, the process for addressing AI system risks. I will go with A, the responsibility for any harm or damage caused by AI system. Question 18 to 20. A fintech company develop an AI-based fraud detection system to identify unusual transactions and prevent fraud. The system uses customer data transaction pattern, and other factors to flag potential fraud. After deployment, the company discovered that the AI system is misidentifying legitimate transactions as fraudulent, leading to customer complaint and regulatory scrutiny. Question 18. What is the most likely cause of the AI system misidentification of legitimate transaction? A. Incomplete or biased training data. Incorrect algorithm design. External factors. I will still go with A. Incomplete or biased training data. Okay, question 19. What is the best action for the company to take to address the AI system misidentification we use? A. Retain the AI system with a more comprehensive and diverse data set. That is right. Conduct a thorough audit of the AI system process and outcome. That is correct. Implement additional governance measures to ensure accuracy and fairness. And D is all of the above. I will go with D, all of the above. Question 20. What is the key legal consideration for the company AI system following the misidentification issues? A. Ensuring compliance with data protection laws, addressing potential liabilities from customer complaint, and C. Revising the AI system algorithm to prevent future misidentification, and D. All of the above. I will go with all of the above, which is D. Then 21. What is the European Union General Data Protection Regulation designed to do? A. Protect individual privacy and personal data, regulate AI system performance across the EU, and C. Define standard for AI system safety and reliability, and D. Establish ethical guidelines for AI-based application. My answer is going to be A. Protect individual privacy and personal data. Question 22. What is the main focus of the International Standard Organization 30.10.00/2018 Risk Management Framework? A. Establish a risk management process for organization. B. Providing guidance for AI system compliance. C. Defining safety standard for AI system, and ensuring AI system meets ethical requirement. This one I'm not too sure, but I'm going to pick my answer. Providing guidance for AI system compliance. I'll go with B. Yeah, I will go with B. Providing guidelines for AI system compliance. Yep. B or D are my options. B or D. Ensuring the AI system meet ethical requirements. I will go because International Standard Organization and the National Institute of Organization and National Institute of Standard and Technology, they do the same thing. What they do is they draft or develop frameworks and guidelines that will help organization to meet with AI ethical guidelines or compliance. Yeah, that is exactly what they do. What next? Question 23. What is the purpose of IEEE 721 standard model process? A. To address ethical concerns during system design, to ensure AI system compliant with legal regulation, to guide AI risk management practices, and to develop AI governance framework. I will go with A. To address ethical concern during system design. That is question 23. Let's go to the next one. Question 24. Which of the following is a key component of the NIST AI risk management framework? A. Identifying, assessing, and managing AI risks. B. Establishing AI governance protocols. Ensuring AI systems are transparent and explainable. And D. All of the above. I think I will go with all of the above. Yeah. Okay, question 25. What does the Council of Europe of Human Rights, Democracy, and the Rule of Law Assurance Framework focus on? A. Promoting human rights and democracy in AI system, ensuring AI system are legally compliant, guiding AI system risk management. D. Establishing AI safety standard. My answer is A. Promoting human rights and democracy in AI system. Then question 26. What is the purpose of Singapore Model AI Governance Framework? A. To provide guidelines for AI governance and risk management B, to define ethical principles for AI system, and C, to establish AI system safety standard, and D, to guide AI compliance and performance. I will go with A, to provide guidelines for AI governance and risk management. Question 27. What is the purpose of model validation in AI development life cycle? To ensure AI model perform as expected and meet the desired outcome, A. And B, to determine if the AI model can be used in production. And C, to evaluate the AI system ethical and legal compliance. And D, to identify potential risks and vulnerability. The answer is A or B. Let's check. To ensure AI model perform as expected and meet the desired outcome. To determine if the AI model can be used in production. I don't know. A and B look similar, but I will go with a B. Because when you validate the AI model, right, and it does not meet with the standard outcome, that means you cannot deploy the model to production. Yeah, you can't deploy. Then I'll go with B. Then question 28. What is the main goal of AI model retraining? A, to improve the AI model accuracy and adaptability, to address changes in data patterns or user requirements, and to correct errors in the AI model prediction. How do you correct the errors? The only way you can correct the errors is by retraining it using the right data. Let's see. A, to improve the AI model accuracy and adaptability. I will go with A. I won't go with all of the above. I will go with A. Okay. Question 29. What is the focus of AI system monitoring after deployment? What is the focus of AI system monitoring after deployment? A, to ensure the AI system is operating safely and reliably, to identify potential security risks and biases, and C, to monitor for unexpected outcomes and error, and D, all of the above. I will go with D, all of the above. Yep, this brings us, okay, let's take one more. Let's stop at 30. Then question 30 to 31. A financial service company developed an AI-based credit scoring system to assess loan application. The system used historical credit data, income levels, and other factors to predict credit worthiness. After deployment, the company discovered the AI system is rejecting applications from certain demographics at a higher rate than others, raising concern about bias and discrimination. 30. What could be the likely cause of the AI system bias credit scoring? The AI system training data contains inherent biases. The AI system algorithm require additional tuning. And C, external factors are influencing the AI system outcome. D, all of the above. I will go with a D, all of the above. Yeah, because I resonate with option A and B. Now, 31. What should the company do to address the biased credit scoring system? A, we train the AI system with a more diverse and balanced data set, conduct a comprehensive audit of the AI system processes, implement additional oversight and governance measures, and D, all of the above. Yeah, this brings us to the end of our daily 30-minute book reading on AI governance. And today we stop at question 31. Then tomorrow we're going to continue from question 32. Thank you so much for joining today's section. Please endeavor to share this profile on all your active social media platforms. Share with your friends so that we can go and expand our audience base, and so many people out there can have the opportunity to have a basic understanding of artificial intelligence, even from an ethical approach, and also understanding how AI technology can be used to improve efficiency and productivity, and how they can use AI technology safely, even for personal use, without, to prevent them from becoming a victim of AI technology, like providing their personal information while using this AI technology. This is something that is very important, and that is why we're engaged in this 30-minute book reading. Thank you so much. Do have a great day and talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.